Bed to wheelchair transfer. C4 Vent-Dependent Quadriplegic.
This is how I transfer my husband from the bed to his wheelchair using an overhead lift. I position the lift directly above him and attach the top loops of the sling around the hooks. Then I crisscross the legs of the sling and attach those loops to the lift. Next, I hook the urine bag onto the sling. Then I begin lifting him up. Once he's high enough to clear the bed rails, I turn on the chair ventilator. And I swing away one of the torso guards to make the transfer easier. Now it's time to disconnect him from the bed vent. I wait for his signal, then I disconnect and turn off the vent. Then I take his legs and gently slide him and position him over the wheelchair. And then I connect him to the chair ventilator. At this point, I put down the foot pads and I put on his shoes. This helps create better traction for his feet when he's actually lowered into the chair. And now I take the controller and I start lowering him down. I push slightly on his knees so that his bottom is all the way back in the chair. Then I disconnect the sling from the lift and push it out of the way. Now it's time to remove the sling from underneath him. I start one leg at a time. I lift his leg up and then I push the sling back to the back of the chair. And then I pull his pant legs down. I like doing this now while the chair is tilted back so I don't pull his body forward. And then I put on his leg guard to help keep his leg in place. And then I repeat the process on the other side. Now I turn on his chair and tilt him forward. And then I put his arm up on the armrest, and I link my arm with his, and then I push on his back to push him forward, and I remove the sling part way. Then I walk around to the other side and I remove the sling all the way. I put his arm on the armrest and that's it.
Total transfer time, 6 minutes and 25 seconds.